Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a raining video on CapCut PC. So select your video. I'm just going to select this outdoorsy one, then go to effects and then just type rain. I think it's like under nature or something. Hello? I'm sorry. And then just like the one that you want, just kind of like hover over it and like see if that looks good on your video. Okay, I don't know why it's not loading on there. Okay, so this is more like rain on window, like as you can see, but this one, I'm just going to select this. You can kind of like adjust the effects, but that is how you can add like a rainy overlay on your videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.